All right, so let's dive into a project that tackles a huge frustration for anyone working with AI right now. It's called Pocket Server, and it asks a really simple question that gets right to the heart of the problem.
I mean, think about it. It's a pretty weird situation, right? Our phones are these incredible supercomputers we carry around everywhere. And yet, when it comes to the most powerful AI coding assistants, the ones that can actually write, run, and debug code, we're completely chained to our desktops. Why is that?
Well, it all boils down to one simple thing: context. For an AI agent to do anything really useful, it needs access, deep access, to your files, your command line, your entire development environment. And that one little requirement has kept these amazing tools locked away on our computers, well, until now. So yeah, our AI agents are basically stuck on a really short leash. But what if there was a way to securely connect our powerful local machines to the phones that are always with us? That's the exact problem Pocket Server is built to solve. So what is it exactly? The easiest way to think about it is like a small, super secure program that you run on your main computer. It acts as a kind of bridge, allowing an app on your phone to command powerful AI agents that are running right there on your machine, with full, real-time access to your code.
And their tagline just nails it. This isn't just a remote control, it's an entire operating system for your agents. And that's the key idea here. It reframes your phone from just being a screen into a true command center for AI.
Okay, OS for agents is a great concept, but what does that actually mean? What can you do with it in the real world? Let's break down what it's capable of.
First up, let's talk about agent control. And we're not talking about your average chatbot. The agents running through Pocket Server are armed with real developer tools: a bash terminal, a file editor, even web search, so they can do complex multi-step tasks, not just talk about them. You can even kick off an autonomous job from a GitHub repo, shut your laptop, and just monitor the whole thing from your phone. And since it supports models from both OpenAI and Anthropic, you get to choose your AI brain.
Second, it actually turns your phone into a legit mobile workspace. Now, if you've ever tried to use a terminal on your phone, you know it's pretty painful, right? This is different. We're talking a fast, native, touch-optimized terminal. You can actually browse your file system, make a quick edit, check the diff, and not want to throw your phone across the room. Plus, the fuzzy search is a lifesaver. You can find any file or function in your whole codebase in just a few seconds.
Okay, I know what you're probably thinking. This all sounds amazing, but giving my phone full access to my machine? Is that actually secure? And isn't it going to be super laggy? Those are exactly the right questions to ask, and it turns out the entire architecture was designed from the ground up to answer them.
The whole system is built on a few really smart principles for speed and security. First, it's server authoritative. That's just a technical way of making a simple promise. Your code, your data, your conversations, they never, ever leave your machine. Nothing is stored in the cloud. The phone app is just a thin, responsive interface. And the security is local first. You pair your phone one time on your own local network, and after that, all the communication is locked down with secure, temporary tokens.
And getting started is ridiculously simple. From your computer, you run one command to pair it, another to start the server, and that's it. You just open the app on your phone, and you're in full control. It's designed so anyone can get up and running in just a minute or two.
When you see it laid out like this, the difference is just night and day. Before, you had a tough choice. Either send your private code to some third-party cloud service or stay chained to your desk. Pocket Server gives you a third way. You get total real-time control from anywhere, but your code stays right where it belongs, on your machine. Your whole dev setup is suddenly right in your pocket.
So when you put all these pieces together, this is more than just a clever tool. It really points to a completely different future for how we're all going to work with AI. It's about making these agents truly personal, truly mobile. Ultimately, this is the promise. It takes the three things you need for modern development: smart agents, your file system, and the command line, and puts them all securely and seamlessly right there in your pocket. And that leaves us with one last really big question to chew on. What new ideas, what new kinds of software, what new possibilities open up when our most powerful AI collaborators are no longer tied to a desk, but can be directed from the device that we carry with us every single moment of the day? The potential there is just, wow, it's really exciting to think about.